Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. Coordination, the linking system. We have completed the lesson. So in this video we are going to discuss about the questions which appear from this chapter in the previous contests like NEET, MCET and Olympiads. Okay, so let us discuss the questions. The first question: endocrine glands are those which put their secretions directly into ducts, blood, both, none of these. So what are endocrine glands, children? Endocrine system is the system formed by ductless glands which secrete the chemical substances called as hormones. Okay, what are the chemical substances secreted by endocrine glands? Hormones. So these hormones are the chemical messengers directly released into the blood, carried to the target organs. Hormones can be steroids, proteins, peptides or amino acid derivatives. Okay, they are released directly into the blood. The pituitary gland's posterior lobe produces two hormones. What are they? Vasopressin and oxytocin. Cortisone and corticosterone. Progesterone and estradiol. Testosterone and androsterone. So actually the pituitary gland, it is the P-shaped gland located at the base of the brain. It is considered to be the master gland as it secretes many hormones to regulate the organs as well as other glands. Okay, some examples of hormones. The different hormones secreted by the pituitary gland include growth hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, MSH, okay, melanocytic hormone, vasopressin, oxytocin. These are all, isn't it? So what is that pituitary posterior lobe? Okay, adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis, it is divided into. So the main hormones which are secreted by the posterior lobe especially. So this posterior lobe of pituitary produces vasopressin and oxytocin. The alpha cells of pancreas secrete insulin, renin, tyelin, glucagon. So you know pancreas is located just below the stomach within the curve of the duodenum. It is both exocrine and endocrine in function. It secretes the hormones such as insulin and glucagon. Okay, and somatostatin also another hormone, and pancreatic polypeptides. Okay, the insulin mainly it regulates the sugar levels in the blood. Insulin is secreted by small amounts, and if its deficiency leads to diabetes mellitus. So here the alpha cells, the anatomy of pancreas, if you take, it possesses alpha cells and beta cells. So the alpha cells of the pancreas secrete insulin. Okay, growth hormone is produced by thyroid, adrenal, gonads and pituitary. Which gland secretes growth hormone? Gonads means testis and ovary. So here the growth hormone or somatotrophic hormone, it is also called, it is secreted by pituitary. Which of the endocrine glands is responsible for the metamorphosis of tadpole? What is tadpole, children? Tadpole is the larva of frog. The metamorphosis of tadpole depends upon which endocrine gland secretion: pituitary, thyroid, adrenals, islets of Langerhans. So the hormone which influences the metamorphosis is thyroxine. The thyroxine is secreted by which gland? Thyroid gland. Under secretion of thyroxine in children causes. What is the meaning of under secretion? Hyposecretion. Okay. Hyposecretion in the children causes acromegaly, cretinism, hypertension, goiter. So mainly this thyroxine influences the growth and metabolism. So the growth will be abnormal. The children shows a small head and the remaining body parts will grow normally. So that condition is called cretinism. Okay. Option 2. So which disease is caused by the deficiency of thyroxine in adults? In children, cretinism. In adults, diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus, exophthalmic goiter, myxedema. So actually these two, diabetes insipidus related to vasopressin hyposecretion, diabetes mellitus related to insulin hyposecretion, and exophthalmic goiter is related to these two, myxedema and exophthalmic goiter, these two related to the thyroxine. So from these two, which is the correct one? So exophthalmic goiter is due to hypersecretion, not deficiency. Deficiency means hyposecretion. So hyposecretion in adults, hyposecretion of thyroxine results in myxedema. Okay, myxedema. The pituitary gland is described as the leader of endocrine orchestra or master gland of endocrine orchestra in vertebrates because it controls growth, thyroid gland, gonads and adrenals, thyroid, gonads and adrenals. Okay, because thyroid stimulating hormone, okay, and FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. So it controls the thyroid gland secretion, gonads means testis and ovary secretions, and adrenal gland secretion. Okay. The blood pressure is controlled by adrenal gland, thyroid, thymus gland, corpus luteum. So here the adrenal gland controls the blood pressure, androgens. So ACTH is secreted by, ACTH means adrenocorticotropic hormone. It is secreted by which of the gland? Adrenal cortex, thyroid, adrenal medulla, pituitary. So ACTH is produced by or secreted by pituitary gland. Testosterone is secreted by which part of the testis? Okay, here Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, Acinar cells, follicular cells. These are the different types of cells. But in the testis, Leydig cells secrete this testosterone hormone. The secretin hormone is secreted from stomach and stimulates the gastric glands, ileum and stimulates liver, thyroid and stimulates thyroid, duodenum and stimulates pancreas. Secretin hormone is secreted from duodenum, okay, and stimulates the pancreas. Insulin hormone is secreted by alpha cells of pancreas, beta cells of pancreas, already we have discussed, delta cells of pancreas, acinar cells of pancreas. So alpha cells of pancreas secretes the insulin. Due to hyposecretion from pituitary, the disease is goiter, encephalitis, diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus. Okay, here goiter, it is due to hyposecretion of or it's a deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Encephalitis, it is caused by arbovirus. Diabetes insipidus, it is caused by the hyposecretion of vasopressin. Diabetes mellitus is due to hyposecretion of insulin. So here vasopressin is secreted by pituitary. So vasopressin deficiency causes this diabetes insipidus. So the option 3. The hormone that promotes the reabsorption of water by nephron is androgen, parathormone, vasopressin, oxytocin. Okay. Hormone which promotes the reabsorption of water in nephrons. So it is the vasopressin, antidiuretic hormone, ADH it is also called. Okay. Reabsorption of water. So due to that vasopressin deficiency, diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus means over urination. Okay. Epinephrine is stomach of nephron, adrenal hormone, glomerulus of mammalian kidney, proximal part of nephron. Epinephrine is actually it is a hormone. Which hormone? Adrenal hormone. Which one of the following is both exo and endocrine gland or mixed gland? Thyroid, pancreas, Peyer's patches, thymus. It is the pancreas which is the mixed gland, both exocrine and endocrine. The pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas through ducts, it helps through ducts, it passes into the duodenum, which contain the enzymes and help in digestion, exocrine part of pancreas. Whereas the endocrine part of pancreas, that is islets of Langerhans, they produce insulin and glucagon. Okay, so both it is a exo and endocrine gland. Which gland? Pancreas. Islets of Langerhans are found in spleen, liver, pancreas, pituitary. Okay, they are present in the pancreas. The hormone from thyroid glands is thyroxine, thyroiodine, parathyroxine, thyroprotein. The hormone from thyroid gland is thyroxine or triiodothyroxine. The reabsorption of water in the kidney is under the control of hormone LH, ADH, STH, ACTH. The full forms: LH means luteinizing hormone, ADH means antidiuretic hormone, STH means somatotropic hormone, ACTH means adrenocorticotropic hormone. So it is the ADH, antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin. It helps in the reabsorption of water. Okay, ADH. The development of secondary sexual characters in female is controlled by estrogen, oxytocin, testosterone, progesterone. Okay, actually 2 hormones related to the female, 3 hormones: oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone. Okay, so here the development of secondary sexual characters in females is controlled by, it is the estrogen. It is also called as a female sex hormone. The hormone which regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism is secreted by thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas. It is a cortisol which regulates calcium and phosphorus metabolism. Okay, it is secreted by actually it here regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism. It is under the control of parathyroid hormone. Okay, calcium metabolism especially. calcium and phosphorus metabolism is under the control of this parathyroid gland, which is attached to. So actually here the question, the gland which regulates the hormone means parathormone. Okay, parathyroid gland produces a parathormone which regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism, which is not under the control of pituitary, adrenal cortex, thyroid, adrenal medulla, testis, which is not under the control of pituitary. It is the adrenal medulla. Only adrenal cortex is under the control of pituitary. ACTH is the hormone which controls the secretion of adrenal cortex, but adrenal medulla is independent. Okay, it is not controlled. Insulin regulates growth, respiration, sugar in the blood, and blood pressure. Insulin secretes by pancreas. Insulin is secreted by the pancreas. It regulates the concentration of glucose in the blood or sugar levels in the blood. Involuntary functions are controlled by dash nervous system: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, brain, autonomic nervous system. So it is the autonomic nervous system which okay, involuntary functions means here spinal cord play a role in the involuntary functions. So it is a part of central nervous system. So central nervous system functions controls the involuntary functions. The part of brain that helps you in solving puzzles is cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, diencephalon. It is the cerebrum which is called the site of intelligence. Okay, so it helps in solving the puzzles. The experiments on phototropism are conducted by Charles Darwin, Francis Darwin, both F.W. Wendt. So first it was experiments was started by Charles Darwin and Francis Darwin. Okay, and experimentally proved by F.W. Wendt. Information from one neuron to another is transmitted through axon, dendrite, myelin sheath, synapse. These are all the parts of a nerve. These are all the parts of neuron. Okay, neurons are called the structural and functional units. So the information from one neuron to another neuron is transmitted through junction called synapse. Okay, nerves that originate from brain are called spinal nerves, cranial nerves, mixed nerves, motor nerves. The brain are called cranial nerves. The nerves that originate from spinal cord are called, actually here also the same question, but how many pairs of nerves, the question wrong. So there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Okay, which of the following is the functional unit of nervous system in humans? Neuron, neuromuscular junction, spinal cord, brain. So neurons are called the structural and functional units of nervous system. Which part of a neuron receives signals from another neuron? Okay, dendrites, cyton, myelin sheath, axon. It is through the axon the neuron receives the signals from another neuron. Which part of a neuron sends the signals to another neuron? Dendrite, cyton, myelin sheath, axon. It is the which part of the neuron receives signals from another neuron? That is dendrites. Okay, not axon. Now which part of the neuron sends the signals to another neuron means it is through axon. Okay, Next, which is the largest part of human brain? The human brain is having divisions. Okay, the four main parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum, pons feruli, medulla oblongata. The total human brain is three main divisions. That is the forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. So forebrain is the largest part of the human brain. It is also called a cerebrum. Okay. Which part of the human brain controls the motor functions? Medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum, pons feruli. Okay, it is the cerebrum which controls the motor functions. Motor functions means the functions related to the contraction of muscles. Okay, hands and legs movement, like that. When you are balancing your bicycle, this action is controlled by which part of your brain? Okay, balancing. Pons feruli, medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum. It is a small brain or cerebellum which is called the organ of balance. Okay, so cerebellum. Next, when you salivate at the sight of a tasty food, this action is controlled by which part of your brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, pons feruli, medulla. Okay, it is a part of reflex action. So the medulla, which extends as spinal cord. So involuntary action. Which of these plants respond to touch? Grass, lotus, mimosa pudica, sunflower. Okay, it is the mimosa pudica. Okay, that is called touch me not plant. Which plant part usually shows positive geotropic movement? Geotropic movement means movement towards the gravitational force. Positively geotropic part of the plant: stem, leaf, flower, root. Positively geotropic. So stem, leaf and flowers, they are above the ground. Root is below the ground. So positively geotropic is root system or root. Which hormone is responsible for a plant part bending towards light? Abscisic acid, auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin. So these are all chemical substances, plant growth substances. So here phototropism is under the influence of which chemical substance, or which hormone is responsible for movement of a plant bending towards light? It is the auxin, which is present below the tip of the stem. It was proved by F.W. Wendt. Which gland is also called the master gland? Adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland. The pituitary gland is called a master gland. Which of these acts both as endocrine and exocrine gland? Pituitary, adrenal, pancreas, pineal. It is pancreas. Which hormone is also known as fight or flight hormone, or flight or fight? Insulin, testosterone, progesterone, adrenaline. It is the adrenaline which is produced at the time of adverse conditions to cope up, to overcome the adverse conditions. This will help when we are in extreme fear, when we are extreme grief, some certain emotional conditions. This hormone is produced and helps us to cope up with the situation. So what is that hormone called? Fight or flight hormone? Adrenaline. Which hormone is responsible for secondary sexual characters in males? Secondary sexual characters in males: adrenaline, progesterone, estrogen, testosterone. So it is the testosterone. What are the secondary sexual characters in males? Mustaches, okay, growth of muscles, change in the voice, okay, pubic hairs. So these are all the secondary mustaches and beard. So these are all the secondary sexual characters in the males. So they are under the influence of which hormone? Testosterone. Next, which hormone is responsible for secondary sexual characters in females? It is the estrogen, testosterone, oxytocin, prolactin. It is the estrogen. Okay. Okay, children, these are some of the questions which appeared in the previous contest. There are more questions which can come from this chapter. Okay, read the lesson. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.